Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Only Best and you're welcome to Only Best Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video, we'll be talking about Segnale Di Precedenza, part 8. Alright, that means we've done part 1 to 8 and this one, now the last part under Segnale Di Precedenza. Alright, so that means from the next video, we'll be going on to other chapters. Alright, so if you're just seeing this video for the very first time, it means you don't miss the previous parts with the under Segnale Di Precedenza. So I recommend you go back to these videos and watch them. It is very important. Do not miss any of these videos. It is all vital information lying through there. So don't skip one. All right, it's going to help you build more confidence as you go through this your patenting process. Right, because the more you know, the more you get confidence to do the whole stuff. All right, and of course, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so that as soon as I drop a video, you will be the first to know. It is very important. Okay, even if I'm going live, you'll be the first to know. So please subscribe, the notification bell, turn it on. And of course, like this video. If you like what you're getting, like this video. All right, so that it's going to go more to other people to see what we are doing here. All right, let's jump right into the reason why we're here. Segnale Di Precedenza, part 8. Okay, number one, I have on my list, I know you're expected to see a sign, a signal, just like others, all right? But this is Comportamento, Incrocio, how your behavior should be when you did for junction, and what you should do, what you should not do. All right, this one, if you're under Segnale Di Precedenza, so I'm not going to skip it. That is why I'm bringing it to you. There's no signal here. This is just a behavior in a junction. Okay, like I said, it is under Segnale Di Precedenza, and I do not intend skipping it, so I have to bring it to you guys to see. Non è consentito, you are not allowed, procedere a zigzag, anche se le corsie direzionali sono segnalate alla striscia discontinua tratteggiate. Now, when you see yourself for junction, even if the strisce not discontinuous line and no features they go zigzag, all right, it is not allowed. Sorry. Cambiare improvvisamente la direzione di marcia. The same thing, do not change suddenly your direction. Okay, you shouldn't just say suddenly, say you must signal you want to change your direction. Do not just do it suddenly. Effettuare inversione di marcia. You must not do a U-turn in a junction. This is not junction. Effettuare il sorpasso. Overtaking, it is not allowed in a junction. Non è vero che non è consentito superare la velocità di 20 km per ora o azionare i fari anabbaglianti. Now for junction. In order to say, you know, if you go more than 20 km per hour for junction, that means for junction, if you even go 30, okay, it is not true that you cannot go more than 20. And it is also not true that you cannot use your luce anabbaglianti, your low beam light. It is not true. Okay, still on comportamento dell'incrocio. Now, giungendo in vicinanza di un incrocio, when you dey go vicinity of a junction, close to a junction, conducendo un ciclomotore bisogna incolonnarsi dietro gli altri veicoli in attesa di proseguire. If you dey drive ciclomotore, the lease bike, okay? Now, when you drive this type of bike, you should be at the back of other vehicles, not junction you dey go pursue. So try to be at the back of other vehicles and the flow then they go small like that. Moderare la velocità anche se il semaforo è verde. Moderate your speed even if the traffic light is green. If it turns green, it doesn't really matter. Moderate your speed because you're close to a junction, you're in the vicinity of a junction. Bisogna predisporsi ad osservare le norme di precedenza. Now you have to be ready to observe the law or the standards of precedence, who you ought to give precedence to. You should give precedence to these people. Be ready at all times. Okay, know who you want to give precedence to. And make sure you give the person a right of way to go. Precedence means your right of way. Bisogna usare la massima prudenza per evitare incidenti. Now you should use maximum caution to avoid accidents. All right, use maximum caution to avoid accident. Please, if there's anything you're not understanding, leave it in the comment section. All right. If it worth doing a video for, I will definitely do so. But if it is not worth it, don't worry. I will definitely reply you immediately in the comment section. All right. Okay, guys. Still on Comportamento dell'Incrocio, how your behavior is supposed to be, what you should do and not do in a junction. Si deve spostare per tempo sulla corsia destinata alla circolazione, alla direzione, scusa, che si intende prendere. Now you have to move on time to the lane, okay, where you want to take. This one is for corsia di preselezione. I brought this photo as an illustration. Now, this arrow, they show you, say, if you use this lane, not only to do what? Turn right. If you use the middle one, either you go front or you turn right. If you use this last one, the left lane, either you go straight or you turn right, according to this diagram. So what is it saying? If you not say you go right, you're not going straight, you're going just the right hand part of this road. Quickly move to the lane where you want to use on time. You have to move to it on time. Most times you go see this one, discontinuous line. Then most time before the junction, you will see a continual line. When you don't reach that continual line, you know if you change again. So on time, move to the lane where you want to use, they go where they go. All right? That is what it's telling you. Si deve segnalare per tempo intersezione di svoltare. Now you have to signal on time your intention of turning. All right, if you get to a junction and you want to turn left, signal on time. If you want to go to the right part of the road, signal on time. If you want to turn right, signal on time. All right, use your indicatore di direzione, your fresher signal. I'm going to the left. All right, and make sure say you do them on time so that they at your back will be aware of what you're then doing. Si deve dare di norma, ma non sempre, la precedenza a chi proviene da destra. Now it says you must give precedence to those coming by your right hand side, but not always. There are some certain conditions, all right? Not always you give precedence to those on your right. It gets sent to you, will be saying that those on your right going to give you precedence because now you get the road on this time. All right. So, for example, you're driving on a road and you see Segnale Di Precedenza telling you, or you see, Segnale Di Precedenza telling you that you have right of way. Okay, Diritto di Precedenza. I have the right of way on this road. And now there are other roads from your right hand side, smaller roads that want to join you in this road that you have the right of way. Would you not stop for these ones to enter because they leave your right hand side? No. Okay, so you should give precedence to vehicle from your right, but not sempre. There's some certain conditions that allows it. There are some certain junctions that you should do that, not all the time. Most times you have the right of it. They want to join you. Okay, for example, say on their own part, they get a signal telling them to give precedence to you because you don't circulate on the road. Okay, so you will not look because this junction is at your right hand side. You will not stop for them to go. It is not good that way. All right, it is not always allowed to do that. You only do that when it is necessary. That is why you should not miss any of these videos. In fact, do not miss them because most of the time we speak about these things, we bring pictures to help you understand better. That's where you go see where you need to give right of way. And I believe we're going to come to that little by little. Just that most times we do this on classes and it's taking most of my time. You know, I focus more on them, so quickly hurry them up and all that. Okay. I mean, that is that. If you don't say phone they had you to use, underneath this video for the description, you will see the theory book. All right, the link to get it. It is important. If you get them through this link, all right, you will feel to use your book, they learn. If you don't see the lights from your phone, they affect you, or your PC, they affect you. You can actually use a book. And this book, they are available in English, in other languages, we have it in French, okay, in China as well. In Arab, we have it. So, I mean, go check it out. It's in the description box below. All right. Okay, guys, this will be the end of this video. Like I told you, this day under Segnale Precedenza. All right. Okay, guys, see you in the next video and of course the next chapter. Bye bye.